Hello everyone, I'm Ligo. Today's topic is SF9 Kang fortune analysis. I analyzed the fortune of SF9 Kang at the request of an overseas YouTube subscriber. The stage of the activity was very wide and diverse, and it was a good fortune to get a lot of help because there are people around who helped himself. Now let's analyze it. The letter that means Kang itself is the positive tree. Positive trees are often compared to beautiful trees. He wanted to grow up endlessly, and he wanted to be number one, and he wanted to be a leader wherever he goes. First, right next to the letter that pointed to him is the output energy. However, very artistic sensibility is alive, and it is very helpful for Kang Chan-hee's activities as an entertainer. Whether he sings, dances, or acts, it's a good energy to show that he has special details. The flow of energy is wonderful. Starting with him, it's naturally leading to output energy and energy focusing again. Energy focusing is very strong. This means that his stage of activity is very wide. It also means going abroad, but there is a lot of space for him to perform, such as singing, dancing, and acting. This energy also means value judgment, spatial perception, and computational ability, and is a result-oriented energy that always results in good results. A letter in a circle is a word that means a rather rough life. It's the energy that makes him express that well with acting. He can also use this fortune by releasing it as an act without actually experiencing it. It plays a good role in broadening the scope of acting other than the cool and quiet roles. And the pink heart is always a very, very good energy to have someone around who helps him. I think there is a reason why he has been active. This picture is very interesting. The round part has the same energy as Kang Chan-hee, but the pink heart right above it also means a woman. Kang Chan-hee probably had the pain of his first love. He may have been hurt by someone who liked someone else or someone who had a boyfriend. If there were any, please tell him that there will be a better woman waiting after that, so please look forward to it. The letter that referred to himself is his heart for his spouse, and Kang Chan-hee always treats his spouse like a lover and treats her like that. He wants to be in a relationship for the rest of his life. Today, I analyzed the fortune of Kang Chan-hee, a great singer and actor. Like the picture on the left, he was doing various activities with great artistic qualities. He will continue to expand his activities, and on the right is the job course, and he comes out with a business-like disposition. It also means that even if he doesn't do business, his artistic and business-like qualities accumulate to him with good results. That's wonderful fortune. I hope him continue to do great activities and be happy. Thank you.